Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we are going to learn how to easily cut detailed dies such as these from the Citrus Bloom dies without frustration and getting them out or not having them cut completely. Anyway, let's get started. We will use two household items to help us. The first will be plain wax paper. I generally fold it in half, stick it between the cardstock and the die, and add our top cutting plate and roll through forward and backward. Now check it. Looks like it cut nicely and comes out easily, except for this one end. I guess it's a little more intricate down there. And then all you have to do is peel off the wax paper. I'm using the poker side of the take your pick tool. Once you get a little piece off, you can just pull and the rest comes off. And you can use the die brush attachment to get rid of all those little intricate pieces. Plus rolling it a little helps to loosen them up. Well, maybe not. But they still come out fairly easily. So just kind of curl it and those pieces will poke up. Now if you don't get it, if it doesn't cut all the way through, you can flip over the whole thing. I will show you how to do that in the next step, since I probably could have done that with some of these because they're not all poking through as well as I would like. I mean, you'll have to plan on spending a teensy bit of time to poke out all the excess pieces anyway, which is fine if I'm watching TV. Alrighty, so we'll do the next household trick. And you can choose whichever you want at the time. Okay, line up those. Get our cardstock ready. And this time we will be using a dryer sheet that's already been through the dryer. Again, I like to fold it in half. And again, I don't know why, I haven't tried it single. And we will just lay it between our die and our cardstock. Put your top cutting plate in, and I like to stick mine a little ahead. And then run forward, and then backward. And if you're going to flip it over, just pinch the cutting plates together and line up your base and your plate 2 and run it through again. You don't want your piece to slide. So you can see those little pieces are already out. And again, we just have to get the dryer sheet started to peel off. Grab it with your fingers and carefully pull. Alrighty, and there we go. Guess it's a little harder to get all those dryer sheet pieces off when you do it both directions, but it'll come off. And if not, you have a little extra texture on your project. But yeah, just use your fingernail to kind of scrape them off. Alrighty, so there are two ways to use your intricate dies. Have fun using them. You bought them, might as well use them and have fun. Thanks for watching. Remember to sign up for my newsletter at www.nindiescreativecorner.com and click on the newsletter tab. You'll also get a free card tutorial when you sign up. Thanks for watching. Bye.